Welcome to this transformative journey, where we'll explore actionable steps to make 2025 the greatest year of your life. In this video, we'll break down the key elements of self-improvement and personal growth, giving you the tools to harness your potential and achieve extraordinary success. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid roadmap to revolutionize your life in 2025. Lesson 1. Setting a clear vision. To make 2025 your best year yet, it's essential to start with a clear vision. Without a destination in mind, it's impossible to chart a course. Begin by imagining where you want to be at the end of the year. What does success look like for you? Define your goals in various areas of your life, such as career, health, relationships, and personal development. Writing down these goals and creating a vision board can help make them more tangible and achievable. Visualization isn't just a motivational exercise. It's a powerful tool that conditions your mind to strive towards your desired outcomes. When you visualize, you create a mental picture of your success, which helps keep you focused and motivated. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals as if they have already been achieved. This practice reinforces your commitment and helps you overcome obstacles with resilience. Lesson 2. The power of consistency. Consistency is the backbone of success. It's not about making monumental changes overnight, but rather committing to small positive actions each day. To make 2025 the best year of your life, focus on building habits that align with your goals. Start by identifying the daily routines that will contribute to your long-term success. Whether it's exercising regularly, reading, or practicing mindfulness, consistency in these actions will lead to compounded results over time. One effective way to maintain consistency is by creating a daily schedule or habit tracker. This allows you to monitor your progress and stay accountable. Remember, consistency isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Even if you face setbacks, keep pushing forward. The key is to show up every day, regardless of how small the effort may seem. Lesson 3. Embracing change and adaptability. Change is inevitable, and adaptability is crucial for navigating life's uncertainties. To make 2025 a remarkable year, you must learn to embrace change rather than fear it. This involves developing a growth mindset, where you view challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement. When you approach life with this mindset, you become more resilient and better equipped to handle setbacks. One way to cultivate adaptability is by stepping out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new experiences and take calculated risks. This not only broadens your perspective, but also builds confidence in your ability to navigate unfamiliar situations. Remember, growth happens when you push beyond your limits and face your fears head-on. Lesson 4. The importance of self-discipline. Self-discipline is the bridge between your goals and accomplishments. It's the ability to stay focused and motivated, even when the initial excitement wanes. To make 2025 the greatest year of your life, you need to develop a strong sense of self-discipline. This means making sacrifices and delaying gratification in the pursuit of your long-term objectives. One practical way to enhance self-discipline is by setting specific, measurable, and time-bound goals. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks and tackle them one at a time. Additionally, eliminate distractions that derail your focus. Create an environment that supports productivity and hold yourself accountable for your actions. Remember, self-discipline is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Lesson 5. Cultivating gratitude and positivity. Gratitude and positivity are powerful tools for transforming your life. They shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a mindset of abundance. To make 2025 a year of greatness, practice gratitude daily. This can be as simple as keeping a gratitude journal, where you write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Positivity, on the other hand, is about maintaining an optimistic outlook, even in the face of adversity. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting people, motivational content, or inspiring environments. When you cultivate gratitude and positivity, you attract more of what you desire into your life, creating a virtuous cycle of success and happiness. Lesson 6. Building strong relationships. Relationships are a cornerstone of a fulfilling life. To make 2025 your best year, focus on nurturing meaningful connections with others. This includes family, friends, colleagues, and even strangers. Strong relationships provide support, encouragement, and a sense of belonging, which are essential for personal growth. Invest time in building relationships by actively listening, showing empathy, and offering help without expecting anything in return. Additionally, surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you to be your best self. A supportive network not only enhances your well-being, but also acts as a catalyst for achieving your goals. Lesson 7. Continuous learning and growth. Learning is a lifelong journey, and continuous growth is vital for staying relevant and achieving success. In 2025, commit to expanding your knowledge and skills. This can be through reading books, taking courses, attending workshops, or seeking mentorship. The key is to stay curious and open-minded, always looking for opportunities to learn something new. Continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and adaptable to change. It also increases your value in both personal and professional settings. Make it a habit to invest in your growth, and you'll find that the more you learn, the more confident and capable you become. By implementing these lessons, you'll be well on your way to making 2025 the greatest year of your life. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to personal growth. Take these insights and put them into action, and watch as your life changes in extraordinary ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Let's make 2025 a year to remember.